Hello soulmates, you're welcome to another sewing tutorial. This is styled by Sheyi. On this tutorial we'll be learning how to draft a leg of mutton sleeve. Let's get started with it. Alright, with me here I already have my basic sleeve block. I have it in my tutorial. I'll drop the link in the description box so you can go check how to make a sleeve, how to draft a sleeve. So now let's get started. Now you have to get your middle line. This is my middle line of my sleeve. Let me just roll the line so you can see. So from the starting point here, this edge here, you go down by 5 inches. You mark 5 inches. Then on your armhole points here, just go down by 3 or 2 inches. Now let's use 3 inches. Go down by 3 inches. You repeat the same thing on this side by 3 inches. Then on this side, you also go down by 3 inches. You also go down by 3 inches. Also go down here by 3 inches. On this tutorial today, we'll actually be learning how to make 2 different types of sleeve. This first one is leg of mutton. Then the other one is a bishop sleeve. So do stay on and please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share so that others can see. So now from this point here, the 5 inches will mark here. You connect it down to the first 3 inches. Then you take it again down to the last, to the 2 inches like this. So now repeat the same process on this line. You connect it here, then you go to the second line. Then you connect. Can you see it? Yeah. You can as well still go down again and again, but for me this is okay. Then we'll do what we call splash and spread. So this is how you splash it. You open here like this. You stop at this 5 inches. Then you now go, stop here. Then you go, you splash this, the first one. This is it. So you will get a new paper and place it on it. Then you can now spread it however you want. You can spread it however you want. So let me get a new paper, then I'll place on it. Placing it on a fresh paper, and I have now used my tape to hold it down. So this is it. This is how it is. So what we are now going to do is we're now going to connect, just trace this paper on a fresh paper. Okay, I had to use my marker pen because I don't know if that biro is visible enough for you guys to see. So like I said, on this middle line, you just connect it off. Then you use your curved ruler to trace this one like this. Connect it like this to the midpoint. Then you do the same thing on the other line, on the other one. Just connect like this. So you can see our leg of mutton sleeve is almost ready. What you just blend it up. So here will not look straight. Just blend it up. So we are now done. So we can now cut our sleeve. So let's remove here. So this is it. Then we'll now cut our sleeve. So this is it, guys. this is it. Our sleeve is now ready. Now I'll now cut it on the fabric. I've placed it on the white fabric. I'm going to use this silky white to sew it. So now let's so this is it for the two sleeve. So what you will now do now is to now go to the sewing machine and sew from here down. You sew like this, you sew down like this. I've finished joining it by the side. This is how it is. This is how it's going to look like. Are you seeing it? This is how it is going to look like. Yeah, like this, like this. So what we will now do is you now run a gather stitch from here to this place. You run a gather stitch from here to this place. I've run a gather stitch on it. So what you just do is you drag, you keep dragging up to the number of your, to the measurement of your armhole. You drag to meet the middle. You can as well still pleat it on your cloth if you feel this dragging is stressful. This is how it will look like. This is the second one. So now our leg of mutton sleeve is ready. This is it. Let me wear it on the mannequin so you guys will see. Okay, so guys, we are done with the sleeve. Can you see how it is? This is the sleeve, leg of mutton sleeve. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Look at this other side. Let me turn the mannequin. Are you seeing? Yeah, that is how the sleeve is. That's how it is. So beautiful.